Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Intan Safina Ismail, and I'm going to be sharing with you a few lecture series, and it's going to be short, each series. So I'm going to be sharing with you the topics that we have already missed in looking into when we were asked to go into lockdown. So this topic is actually on the stereochemistry. Okay. I'm not sure whether you have read about on this topic or not, but when we talk about stereochemistry, we are talking about the compounds, which is elements in the periodic table. They come together, two or more, and they will make compounds. So when we talk about stereochemistry, we are talking about these compounds, and these compounds we are talking about them in 3D forms. Okay, 3D forms. So most of the time when we see in the book, and also on the when I teach you, when I write on the whiteboard, for example, if I write like this, CH3, CH3, which is ethane. So when I'm talking about ethane, when I talk about ethane, I'm talking about the combination of carbon with hydrogen. So this is the elements. Carbon is the element, hydrogen is the element in the periodic table. They combine with each other. I told you just now, two or more of them combine to each other, and they will make up compounds. So this is the compound example that I'm going to be talking about. Okay. So this an example of compound is, now when I wrote it like this, you can see it, and then you can understand that I have written in 1D, meaning that it is plain on this board. Okay, but when we talk about stereochemistry, we are talking about 3D form of this particular compound. So when I want to write a 3D form of this particular compound, I have to use a few steps. Okay, so okay, now when we talk about this, let's talk about this ethane. Okay, this is difficult to wrap. Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about this ethane, but from now on I'm going to be talking about this particular compound in 3D form. So when we talk about stereochemistry, I can divide this into two big topics. One is conformation. Another one is stereochemistry itself. Okay, chemistry. Sorry about that small board. Okay, let's talk about this first, conformation, and then I'm gonna be going into this stereochemistry. Okay, conformation is actually talking about temporary molecular shape that has been resulted from the rotation of a bond. Do you understand? So when I talk about this ethane now, okay, I'm talking about CH3. Now I cannot write it like this anymore, so I have to make a bond so that you can see it in a 3D form. Okay, and this is too small, sorry about this. So I'm going to be talking about this C connected to C, connected to hydrogen, another one hydrogen. because carbon need to have always have 4 bonds. So this have to be up here. Okay, hydrogen and hydrogen. So now this is in 3D form. So when we talk about anything under stereochemistry, we are talking about the compound in 3D form. So these two, they will arrange the bonds so that they will make up a tetrahedral form. Okay, geometrical form. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about this further on in a later video. Okay.